Alrighty, our next example of a problem you will see on the Virginia SOL, likely. Which of these is a true statement? Now, in theory, you could look at the pictures, but wait a second. Look at this. This guy looks like he's shorter than this guy. And this guy looks like he's shorter than this guy. So no, we cannot just look at what's shaded in, because the pieces would have to be the same exact size in order for that to work. And then you would have to trust the drawing. And remember, this is math, so we're saying that the drawing might not be perfect. Okay, so let's look. Is 4/10 equal to 2/5? That gets smaller, so it looks like this would be simplified. All right, let's see if 10 divided by anything will equal 5. That means 5 times something equals 10. So look up here, sure enough, 5 times 2, that's a fact family. 10 divided into 2 groups means there will be 5 in each group. If these fractions are equivalent, then that means that this divided by 2 will equal this. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That is correct. So, oh, I've got my answer right. No, because maybe we just made a mistake. So I'm going to write a P for possibility right beside it. I think it's right, but maybe I made a mistake. So let me go check these. 2/3 equals the same amount as 5/6. Maybe that sounds sort of right, because that's more than half and that's more than half. The bottom number gets bigger. Okay, 3 times something has to equal 6. 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6. That means the top number would have to also work. 2 times 2 equals 4. That's not right. That would have to be 4/6. That's not right. Okay, that's wrong. All right, let's try this. 3/6 equals 3/12. That gets bigger, so let's see. 6 times what equals 12? Is there anything? 6, oh, sure enough, 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. So we put times 2 on the top. Oh, 6/12. Hey, that's not 3/12. Now remember, this is after a whole bunch of other examples, such as the videos that I've shown you, that break this down into some understanding, or break this down to the steps. So this is assuming that we've already understood common factors and multiples. Okay, 4/8, 10/12. Wait, 4/8. That's 1/2. I know that. Remember our little thing? We want to make sure if it's something like 4/8, 5/10, 6/12, 10/20. We want our brains to automatically think that's half, that's easy. And then we think 10 out of 12. If I have 12 people and 10 of them are boys, well, that's way more than half. That's not half. I know that's not half, okay? We were right. That's the answer.